In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can easily create AI training videos without making use of the stable diffusion or even the Kaiber AI. So right here guys, I'm going to show you some few AI tools that helps you create AI training videos. So right here guys, the first tool is the gemno.ai, whereby you can easily magically create videos with AI, a free way to make videos from text or images powered by AI. So right here guys, you can easily just sign in or simply join Discord. So you can now, once you're done signing in, it's going to take you right onto this page whereby you simply describe your video or you upload an image that you want to simply convert right there to video. So right here guys, I'm just going to paste in this prompt right here and click on to submit, and the gemno.ai is going to get to work and generate a video by simply making use of this prompt. So right here guys, as you can see, our generation is complete. So if you simply click on to view right here, you're able to view our video right here guys. So let's simply just tap on this, and guys, this is the video right here. This was the prompt given to this, and I was able to generate this video. Now guys, you can easily download this particular video into your device and you can easily share this. So this is how the gemno AI actually works, whereby you simply just give this a prompt and it's just going to generate your video right here for you. The next tool we want to make use of is this tool called the plaxapunk.com, where generative AI meets artistry. You can unleash your creative potential by simply making use of this tool, and you can also create unforgettable music videos and see what is possible right here on the plaxapunk.com. So right here guys, if you simply click on to try it right here, it's going to take you right onto this page whereby you want to simply sign in, and you can sign in is free and it only takes 3 clicks. So simply click on to sign in right here. Now you can sign in with Google or with Discord, so you simply select the one you want to make use of and it's going to take you right onto the plaxapunk.com dashboard. Once you're done signing in, you want to simply just make use of all of this step right here and you're able to create your video. So right here guys, the first thing guys is to simply choose your music. You can choose from our pre-selected songs below, or you simply click on to upload music to upload your own song right here, or you simply tap on to use microphone to record music yourself. So right here guys, you can decide to make use of this right here, and once you're done selecting your music, you click on to select the song. Then the next right here guys is the music region, so you simply tap on to start or end right here. Right here guys, you want to simply select the song section for your video. You adjust the duration by dragging or entering from the video right here. You can decide to just drag this right here. Then once you're done with that, click on to next. And next is the animation mode. We have the storyboard and the flip book, so I can decide to make use of storyboard right here. So once you're done with that, click on to next. Now right here guys, this is the general video settings, whereby you specify the overall video settings. You'll be able to adjust the style for each scene later. So the first thing guys, select your aspect ratio. Once you're done, generation model, the starting image, the landscape, and once you're done with all of this, now you want to simply describe the style of your video. I can decide to paste this as the style of my video, so it's okay. I'm just going to reduce the number, so let's make use of this. So right here guys, on the description of your video, I can just make this to be cinematic right here, to be the style of my video. And once you're done, just click on to next and loading. So you want to simply wait while we load the regions. So the next thing guys is to simply describe your video. What should your video be about? I'm just going to paste this. I want my video to be about this right here. Okay, I think it's more. Okay, let's simply just do this. And once you're done, click on to next. Now this is the animation effects, which is only available in flipbook mode. So you simply just scroll down, tap on to next right here. Now upscale to super resolution. You can decide to upscale, but once you're done, just click on to generate video. It's almost there and our video will be done generating. So guys, you can easily make use of this app called the plaxapunk.com in order for you to be able to create amazing videos. As you can see, my video will be generated soon, so you want to simply wait for a few seconds and this will be notified via email. So this is how you can make use of this tool called the plaxapunk to create AI trending videos. Now you can also try out other tools like decore.ai, whereby you can create what can't be filmed. You can start the free trial and simply just sign in. So guys, if you're looking for tools that you're able to create AI training videos without making use of Kaiber AI or stable diffusion, you can try out the gemno.ai. the plaxapong.com, and also the decory.ai.